Welcome in MIRELITE MIRSA company. We are here in Miskolc plant. We are producing quick frozen vegetables, fruits, pastries. We are export our products to the European markets, Middle East and Japan. We are really happy to take part of this digital twin project. This has helped us to highlight our digitalization inside our factory.
Our product technology, very important point, the blanching. The blanching, we have two steps, and this two step, it's important because we are heating the product and after chilling. And the results, it's very convenient product, which is add the good quality for the consumers. This production step, it's very high efficiency, need lots of energy for the heating and after the cooling. The digital twin project had the possibility for implementation, lots of thermosensor for the process, and we can analyzing this data and had the possibility to deeply understand this process step, the blanching, and had the possibility how we can optimize the high efficiency energy consumption. The digital twin project, we are implemented some thermosensor for the blanching machine, the cooking phase and the chilling phase too. And these thermosensors online collect the temperature data from the process. And this data we are analyzing our manual measurement systems like the setup temperature, like enzyme test result, gas consumption and the conveyor speed. This data all together add for the possibility, the better technology and the better quality and high energy efficiency consumption.
This digital twin is mainly focusing on the optimization of the blanching process. So the main goal was to design a digital twin which can help to reduce the energy consumption level during the blanching process, but it has additional features like data gathering and the testing methods which now are digitalized, so it can improve the efficiency of the human work since now it's digitalized. If we are looking at the operational level, the operators, the quality control staff could reduce their workload because they don't need to type in at the workstation the gathered information, the test. They can immediately input into the digital twin and also save it in a database. On the management level, they can more easily analyze the temperature data, the process efficiency, without needing to be processing the data which they had. Now they have more data, more precise data from the temperature sensors, and of course already prepared analysis and reports for their convenience. Direct benefits is related to the energy consumption reducement, as I said it before. So this was the main goal. And now the team, MIRELITE MIRSA, and the technology provider Enco Software is planning to extend this digital twin with new sensors to digitalize the whole plant.
Definitely, we would like to implement for this digital twin project for any other lines as well. And thanks for this digital twin project, we get more data and we would like to put more sensors to improve our factory digitalization. And put in a higher level of the digitalization and get more database and analysis and get more improved factory in efficiency side as well.